In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello dashboard in just 5 minutes. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing projects and tasks. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, a Trello dashboard can be your central hub for tracking progress, assigning tasks, and managing workflows. Let's dive into the step-by-step process that will have you up and running with a Trello dashboard in no time. First, head over to Trello in your web browser. If you've never used Trello before, you'll be amazed at how intuitive it is. You can sign in using your email, Google account, or other available login options. What's great about Trello is that it accommodates a variety of login methods to ensure you can access your projects with ease and security. Once you've logged in, your Trello board will load. You'll see several features and options around your screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You may notice an ellipsis or 3 dots located in the top right corner of your board. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to a host of additional features that can enhance your Trello experience. Next, you'll want to click on the More Apps option at the top left corner of your board. This will open up an array of powerful integrations and tools that you can add to your Trello workspace. Exploring these options can supercharge the functionality of your dashboard, so it's a great idea to see what's available that might meet your needs. With the basics laid out, it's time to create a new board under Your Workspaces. This is where you can tailor your dashboard to suit your specific needs. Name your board something that clearly represents the project or area you'll be managing. This will help keep your Trello workspace organized and easily navigable. Now, let's focus on customization. You have control over the appearance, visibility, and permissions of your board. Choose a background that adds a bit of personal flair, or stick with something simple and clean. Consider who needs access to your board and set the proper permissions for commenting, adding, and removing members. You can easily adjust these settings to ensure your workflow is both secure and collaborative. In just a few simple steps, you've created a Trello dashboard tailored to your project. Remember, Trello is designed to be flexible, so feel free to experiment with different configurations and apps to find what works best for you. With this dashboard, you're well equipped to manage everything from simple to-do lists to complex project timelines. Happy organizing!